In tonight's video, I'm going to go over the 3 main points of what Lead Lightning 2.0 does well. Along with that, as a bonus, I'm also going to give you our strategy in promoting this program, telling you why we use the strategy, why it's working, and that way if you have a program similar, or if you want to use Lead Lightning as your program, you can do that and have an actual strategy to start generating leads and generating sales, where most programs aren't going to give you that type of information. All right, so let's go unpack this. All right, this is the back office of Lead Lightning. This is the newer version. It's now 2026. I believe the original Lead Lightning was actually purchased, I want to say 2023, if I read my information correctly, looking over some history. But these are the changes that they've made. These are the improvements that they've made. As many programs have, you have to incorporate AI into your platforms. There's just no getting away from that. It doesn't mean the AI does all the work for you. It means the AI is a tool that helps you get the work done. All right, so one thing that Lead Lightning does that really helps get things rolling for you is it gives you one simple entry point for new leads. That simple entry point is just becoming a Lead Lightning member for $7. So very low, no stress, no hype, $7, and you get $6 of that back in commission every time that you sell it. So sell it twice and you're into profit. And that's one thing that we definitely want to stress whenever we're talking about making money online, is that we want to get into profit quickly. It helps you, it helps your team members stay with the program longer because they're actually making some money. Now, I do want to stress we are not guaranteeing any kind of income or any kind of lead development or any kind of sales, just because this is a process that we have to go through and keep this educational, as much an educational video as we can. And you'll find all that information down in the description of this video. All right, so it gives you one simple entry point, $7. Bring somebody on board. They can try everything out. This is the back office that they're going to get started with right here. You got all this information over here to go through. You're going to get your links. Right now they are pushing the 30-day challenge funnel link. So you've got all that right there. Here's your normal Lead Lightning funnel. You can even also, what I want to call it, you can share your primary program. If you're just using Lead Lightning as a quick hit to develop leads and make a little bit of a commission, a small commission off of that, but you still have your bigger program, maybe a higher ticket program, that is what you're mainly wanting to promote. You can do that by just putting that URL or putting the name of it down in here, and then just like mine shows, it'll say click here to see your referring affiliate's recommended income stream. So my referring affiliate is a good friend and mentor, Barry Cross, and if I clicked on here, it would take you over. Well, let's just go see if it'll come up here real quick. He's got the click engine. He's got his own product basically here that he has developed from LeadsLeap, and his main traffic platform that he promotes inside of this one is the Click Engine. So that's great. And I also promote Click Engine. It's a great program. But this is what it's going to look like for you. So you get to, you're helping yourself promote your bigger programs or your another program, and you're also getting commission from Lead Lightning. The upgrades from Lead Lightning from here are going to put you over into the Powered Lead system, which has higher commissions, medium range, up to high ticket commissions of around $1,500, just so you know that that's available. Again, no guarantees, for education purposes only. So yeah, number one was gives one simple entry point. Number two, handles the initial education and follow-up structure as it should for any program. When somebody comes in, they get all the training. I'm giving, just showing you just a little bit of stuff going on here. Here's where you can even upgrade your membership so that you're making $100 commissions. But it's going to tell you, it's going to take you through all these tabs over here, and you're going to be able to get the training and information you need to turn this program into an even bigger program if that's what you desire. And the third thing that Lead Lightning is doing well, allows multiple income streams without multiple funnels. So what does that mean? Well, kind of like I was just talking about, one of the upsells is right here, and it's not going to take you through a whole nother funnel. It's going to change the emails coming to you because they're going to know that you're interested in this, and they may, send you some more emails on the upsells, of course. But you got to remember, it's not about you. It's what you can give to somebody else. You may not be, it may not be a big deal to you because you're wanting to promote other things, but to somebody else on your team coming in, that could be a serious desire of theirs to use that. But we don't have to go out there and promote 5 different funnels for all the different upsells that are in the platform. Okay, just one link. All right, and now you do have to, if you want to make those higher commissions, you are going to have to invest into those upsells. Okay, up into those other products and training. So that's what we're working with here, is the products and training that this platform can give to you. Yep, you will have to upgrade in them if you want to see the higher commissions. Otherwise, the commissions may pass you up to your person above you. So just let you know that. Let's see. Some of the things that this doesn't do. This doesn't force hype. Of course, every platform has their higher energy. Hey, we're excited that you're here. We got this going on right here. Congratulations, Jeff. Welcome to Lead Lightning. It's not really hypey. It's just saying, hey, welcome to the deal, right? Let me find that again. So there's no forced hype in here. Just, you're going through the system. Okay. Require daily content creation. No, you don't have to make a video every day. You don't have to do a blog post every day. If you're on social media and you're using things like Facebook and Instagram, the Reels, the stories, all that stuff, then yeah, there's probably going to be some, you can call that content creation when you put posts out or you make your little short videos, whatever the case may be, if you decide to run with that style of promoting. Okay. But you don't have to make the big long videos like I'm making tonight. You don't have to do the big blog posts and so forth. You can do those once a week, twice a week maybe, and you're good to go. What it also doesn't do is doesn't depend on personality or pressure. There's a lot of things you can do here that you can learn how to do here that doesn't require you to be face on camera or your picture being all over the place. You don't have to have an A-type personality to be successful, and there's no pressure. I'm not going to pressure anybody that's on my team. All I'm going to say is, hey, you've got somebody that's wanting to upgrade. If you want your commission, you might want to check into upgrading yourself. That's about the only time you're ever going to hear any type of pressure coming from me. And that's not pressure. It's just a fair warning to let you know. If you don't want to miss out on the commissions, you might want to go ahead and get that taken care of. So with that said, the strategy of working with these programs is what I'm developing for my team. No, you don't have to create content daily, but we are going to email daily. Okay. I use another platform called My Lead Gen Secret. That is my daily have to do email system, because they give me the leads. I'm getting 100 leads per day for $1 a day. Okay, $1 a day gets me 100 leads. $30 a month gets me 3,000 leads per month. 3,000 fresh, new tier 1 leads. So the My Lead Gen Secret, if you've heard of it before, you definitely are going to want to check that out. I will have a link down in the description area. That's my affiliate link for that. And if you're on my team and you're using my lead gen secret, we will be having regular meetings, probably on a weekly basis, to make sure everybody's getting the most out of that system. Okay. Number 2 is going to be other mailer systems. I like 2 that I like right now are the proactive mailer and traffic leads to income. So with those 2 mailers, I get another, I don't know, it's 11,000 emails that goes out on top of all the emails that I do with my lead gen secret. And we're just going to continue to build up those mailer programs, finding the ones that have active memberships and a good mail set up so that they know that people are reading those emails. And then we'll have even more opportunities to bring people into the Lead Lightning system and into our personal lead, our personal ecosystem, if you will. The second part of my strategy is that we do video, and I teach the 4-step video blueprint. And we do have and have had for several weeks now our Thursday night free Zoom call training for 4-step video blueprint. And if you want to be on that training, you don't even have to be a part of Lead Lightning. If you just want to be on that training, then just drop a video training down in the comments, and I will get you the link to get you set up to be a part of that program and training on how to do videos on YouTube, grow a YouTube channel, and develop leads organically from the ‑1 video and content site on the internet, bar none. That's my opinion. Okay. Yeah, you are definitely going to make, once you learn how to do videos correctly and you can consistently put videos out there, it's going to make a world of difference in your business. Okay. I'll just leave it at that. Again, no guarantees, educational purposes only. All right. So just to recap here real quick, we went over the 3 reasons that, the 3 things that Lead Lightning does well and the Power Lead system. And we've talked about what it doesn't do. And I've also given you my strategy of my lead gen secret, some of the other mailer systems that are out there like Proactive or Traffic Leads to Income, and that we have a video training program available for you where I teach you my 4-step video blueprint. So if you're ready for all that without that we're trying to keep it as simple as possible, emails daily, make some content on video a couple times a week, and you are good to go. So if we can handle that, then get with me. Either comment down in the comment area, put that video training in there if you want to be a part of that, and just reach out to me and let me know what you're thinking and what kind of information or help I can give you. All right, with that, we are out of here. Have a great night, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.